So now let's talk about the most interesting part, the payment. In your newsfeed, you can find your personal dashboard. Here you have an overview over your entire Course Expert account and find all the information you need in order to get started and earn money. On the top right of the dashboard, you can see your earnings, and on the left, the current status you're in. In the beginning, you're automatically in the basic status, but have the chance to move up and increase your earnings. We'll get to that part later. Here you can see an overview of your activity on StudyDrive for the current semester. To earn some easy money right away, you should definitely take a look at our bonus packages. You can easily earn your first €10 just by completing some simple tasks. Once you've completed a task, the box will automatically be checked. By being more active on StudyDrive, you can quickly boost your earnings. As mentioned before, you are always automatically in the basic status and get 2 cents per download and a one-time payment of €2 per document once it reaches 15 downloads. However, you can easily increase your earnings by being a bit more active on StudyDrive. We divide our month into 2 periods, and the deadlines are always the 14th and the end of the month. Within these 2 weeks, you have the opportunity to work off all the to-dos required for the gold status. Once you fulfill the to-dos, you'll get 4 cents per download and a bonus of €5 just for reaching the gold status. You can therefore reach the gold status every 2 weeks and can see here how many days are left in the current period. To reach the gold status, you have to upload 2 documents. You can then promote your documents on social media by posting 1 to 2 sentences and a link to one of your documents to your profile or to StudyDrive in general in a relevant Facebook or WhatsApp group or an Instagram, Yodel or similar platforms. There should be at least 10 members or viewers. Don't forget to check the exact requirements by moving your mouse here. The third and last to-do is to make 10 posts on StudyDrive. These include questions, answers, as well as comments, etc. that you can post on all courses and groups except for the Course Expert group. You don't have to choose a status from the beginning, but can just decide every 2 weeks how active you want to be and what you want your earnings to look like in the current period. To earn even more money, you can fulfill the requirements for the Gold Plus status. The Gold Plus status applies for the whole semester, meaning you only have to fulfill the requirements once in the semester. If you fulfill them, you get a €10 bonus every time you fulfill the requirements for the gold status in the future. If you want to hand out flyers, just text us your address via WhatsApp or email and we'll send you a package. Don't forget to move your mouse over the requirements. Info boxes that gives you important information will show up. So let's go, fulfill the requirements and reach your first gold status today. Bye, and until next time.